Welcome, follow me as a HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I will show you how you can factory reset this device through recovery mode. Now, there's a couple things that I want to just clear out before I begin, as it might save some of you. So you can do this kind of process in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set. Also, it's another way that you can reset your device if you have a HUAWEI ID signed in that you don't know, but by doing so you will need to verify that HUAWEI ID throughout the setup process once the reset is finished. So the device basically has the equivalent of a iCloud lock, and just like iCloud, if obviously you have one signed in, it's going to default this as the most important verification of all, no matter what other options you have. Same goes for trying to reset it through settings. Just to quickly show you, if I go in here, try to reset it, confirm my screen lock, keep in mind, which I know, reset, continue. Whoa, password please first, then why the hell did I need to provide you with a damn screen lock? Anyway, so to get started, if you have a screen lock or not, like for instance pattern like I do here, you can hold your power button, select restart twice, and when the device turns off, which is any moment, come on, there we go, hold power button and volume up. You'll get the HUAWEI logo, and after a moment it will disappear, at which point you can let go of the two buttons. There we go. From here, select clear data and then factory reset. As a confirmation, all you need to do is type in yes, at least at this stage. So yes, select factory reset. Click on back and restart. Now, like I mentioned before, once the reset is finished, you will need to still most likely verify yourself while going through the setup by providing the HUAWEI ID credentials, as, like I said, the device, that was needlessly loud, as the device will default to that instead of the screen lock, which you might know, but not the HUAWEI ID. So just so that you know. And the process is now finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.